Right now, there are more than 500 kinds of wild pigeons and over 175 types of tame pigeons around the world. Found everywhere from hot tropical areas to cooler temperate zones. Thanks to this variety, people have smartly used pigeons' sharp minds and special abilities, making them a useful asset. Pigeons are mostly bred for racing and meat, which helps farming economies in a big way. Starting a pigeon farm doesn't cost much, but it brings in good money, which is why so many people choose this business. In 2023, the pigeon meat market in Asia Pacific was worth a huge $95 billion, showing how fast this industry is growing and how much opportunity it holds. Pigeon farming doesn't just boost family earnings, it also supports eco-friendly farming and helps drive economic growth. To raise high-quality meat pigeons, farmers need to carefully select healthy male and female pigeons with no physical defects, soft and shiny feathers, and no signs of illness. The breeding pairs must be in good health, with bright eyes and the ability to reproduce effectively. Especially by laying many eggs to ensure a continuous supply for the farm. The French pigeon breed is known for its rapid growth rate, stable reproductive rate, and excellent adaptability to the climate conditions in Asia. Due to these superior traits, pigeon farms often choose a centralized farming method rather than allowing pigeons to roam freely, which helps with more effective management and supervision. When raised in a free-range system, pigeons can move freely in a spacious environment. However, to optimize management, many farms choose to build tall and well-ventilated lofts with wide walkways, spacing cages 3 to 4 feet apart to ensure proper airflow. Each cage is equipped with lighting and ventilation systems to keep the environment bright and cool. Notably, each pair of parent pigeons is housed in a separate cage to ensure their health and efficient reproduction. Each pigeon cage is fully equipped with essential amenities, including feeding troughs, water dispensers, and nesting boxes, creating optimal conditions for the bird's growth and reproduction. To maximize space while ensuring proper ventilation, the cages are designed to be stacked with a reasonable gap of 2 to 4 inches between tiers. This setup helps maintain airflow, keeping the breeding environment clean and well ventilated. The key to success in commercial pigeon farming lies in the quality of the feed. Every day, farmers prepare a balanced nutritional mix, including grains such as corn and green beans, along with other supplementary ingredients to promote healthy pigeon development. All ingredients are carefully measured according to scientific ratios and thoroughly mixed using modern machinery. Once ready, the feed is transported to the farm area and carefully distributed into each feeding trough, ensuring that every pigeon receives the necessary nutrients. As they move along the row of cages, farmers push a feed cart, skillfully using their hands or specialized tools to evenly distribute the feed into each trough. At every stop, they carefully observe to ensure that the pigeons receive their full portion. The moment the feed is spread, the flock eagerly gathers, excitedly pecking at the grains, creating a lively and energetic scene. Thanks to this well-organized feeding process, the pigeons are consistently nourished on time. Promoting healthy and uniform growth. In addition to nutrition, a clean and well-ventilated living environment is a key factor in ensuring the pigeons' well-being. As a result, farm hygiene is always a top priority. During the summer, when high temperatures can encourage bacterial growth, the cages are cleaned daily. In winter, the cleaning frequency may be reduced, but maintaining a dry and uncontaminated space remains essential. Furthermore, disease prevention is a crucial task, protecting the flock from infections and ensuring both productivity and quality in pigeon farming. Young pigeons, with their still developing immune systems, are particularly sensitive to their environment. Therefore, disinfecting the cages and maintaining a clean, healthy space is a crucial factor in ensuring their strong growth and minimizing the risk of disease. When they reach maturity at around 4 to 6 months old, female pigeons enter their productive stage. However, their egg production is relatively modest, laying only 1 to 2 eggs per clutch. Despite this, in large-scale farms where pigeons are raised systematically, thousands of eggs are still collected daily. Due to their limited quantity, pigeon eggs are rare and highly valuable. Often costing up to 10 times more than chicken eggs. As a result, instead of being widely distributed for consumption, most pigeon eggs are kept for incubation to sustain and expand the flock. A pigeon farm can conduct approximately 8 to 10 breeding cycles per year, ensuring a stable supply and meeting the growing market demand. After approximately 17 to 18 days of incubation, young pigeons begin to break through their eggshells and hatch. During the harvesting process, farmers handle them with great care and gentleness to avoid causing any harm. Immediately after hatching, the young pigeons are transferred to the nursery, where they are placed in nests with a pair of parent pigeons. The presence of the parents not only provides a sense of security, but also allows the squabs to develop naturally in a familiar environment. In their early days, young pigeons rely entirely on crop milk, a special nutrient-rich substance produced by the parent birds. After a few days, they gradually begin to adapt to supplemental feed. By around 26 days old, the young pigeons reach a level of maturity, ready for the next stage of growth. After hatching, young pigeons gradually become more active, starting to explore their surroundings and develop their independence. By around 4 to 5 weeks old, they reach full development, becoming strong and healthy pigeons ready to integrate into the flock and enter the reproductive cycle. At approximately 2 months old, pigeons meet the standards for harvest. Farmers carefully select the best quality birds and distribute them to suppliers or restaurants specializing in pigeon dishes. China is currently one of the leading countries in the world for commercial pigeon farming, with a total population of approximately 9 million birds. Large-scale farms are primarily concentrated in Guangdong, Shenzhen, and Hainan, operating on a strict cycle, selling young pigeons every 4 days to ensure a stable and consistent output. Each batch for sale can reach up to around 3,000 birds. Carefully selected to meet the highest quality standards, catering to the growing demand for pigeon meat in the market. The process of preparing pigeons is similar to other poultry, such as chicken or duck, but it is carried out on modern, highly automated production lines. Each pigeon is placed into the system, undergoing various steps from bleeding, feather plucking, to gutting and cleaning, quickly ensuring food safety and hygiene standards. After processing, pigeons are usually packaged whole to preserve the flavor and meat quality. Pigeon meat is a highly nutritious food, popular in many countries around the world, especially young pigeon meat due to its high protein, vitamin, and mineral content. Among dishes made from pigeons, fried pigeon is one of the most appealing. When fried to perfection, the skin becomes golden, crispy, and glossy, releasing an enticing aroma. The combination of the crispy exterior and tender, juicy meat inside makes this dish an irresistible specialty, attracting diners from all over. In Florida, pigeons with vibrant and diverse plumage are not only raised for their economic value, but are also highly regarded for their unique aesthetic beauty. This attraction has helped make pigeon farming a refined and artistic hobby. Not only do they have striking appearances, but pigeons are also famous for their excellent navigation and memory skills, which make them outstanding messenger birds. Pigeon breeders in Florida pay special attention to training birds to fly long distances and return to their coop accurately. For pigeons trained for racing or sports activities, a larger space is required. When they reach about 6 weeks old and their feathers are fully developed, pigeons begin their training phase, preparing for challenging long-distance flights. Compared to raising pigeons for meat, racing pigeons are more popular in many countries, such as the Netherlands, the UK, and the United States. Pigeon breeding clubs often organize dramatic races, turning this activity into an exciting sport that connects a community of enthusiasts. In each race, well-trained pigeons are released from distant locations, with distances ranging from 100 to 300 miles. The bird that returns to the coop the fastest wins. Notably, some racing pigeons are valued at up to $1 million, making each competition tense and thrilling. The excitement and suspense of watching these birds soar across the sky, covering hundreds of miles to return, have made this sport a passionate pursuit for many people. Farmers focus on breeding pigeons with good physical condition, striking colors, and superior flying abilities to meet the needs of pigeon racing enthusiasts. Fueled by a love for speed and winning, many are ready to spend big money to get their hands on top-tier pigeons. Because of this, breeding and training racing pigeons has turned into both an art and a reliable way to earn, offering great financial rewards for breeders. The pigeon industry isn't just a promising business, it's also a shared passion that brings millions of people together across the globe. From meat production farms to high-stakes races worth millions. Whether you're into farming for profit or fascinated by the speed and smarts of racing pigeons, this world is full of thrilling possibilities. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, share it to help others discover it, and drop a comment. What part of the pigeon industry excites you the most?